Hi, I'm Jack from IKO. With several different shingle styles and over 3 dozen color options, IKO is a global leader in the manufacturing and supply of residential roofing shingles. These products serve all 50 US states, 10 Canadian provinces, and are exported to over 40 countries across the globe. Let's have a closer look. The IKO Performance Collection is engineered to offer superior protection against increasingly severe weather events. Both Nordic and Dynasty feature Armor Zone reinforcement for unmatched nail-holding power and IKO Fast Lock sealant. Both Nordic and Dynasty shingles come with a 130-mile-an-hour or 210-kilometer-an-hour wind-limited warranty. Our Nordic line offers a Class 4 impact resistance rating. Pair this along with high-def colors in Armor Zone and you can understand why we say that Nordic is quite possibly the best laminated asphalt shingle that money can buy. This impact resistance rating may entitle homeowners to a discount on their insurance premiums in some areas, which is a great selling point, but shouldn't be compared with a limited warranty. The Designer Collection is the ultimate in architectural style and beauty. Armourshake shingles mimic genuine wood shakes, and Crowne, Slate, and Royal Estate emulate the luxurious look of natural stone tiles without their associated expense or maintenance worries. The Designer Collection will appeal to homeowners who want to stay in their upscale houses for years to come. IKO's Architectural Collection includes Cambridge and Cambridge Cool colors. Cambridge laminated shingles are extremely popular with homeowners who want a boost of curb appeal or who want to potentially increase the selling price of their home by reroofing at a moderate cost. Shingle color is often a major factor in the buying decision, so don't forget as a first step to tell homeowners about the incredible Roof Viewer tool that's available on IKO's website. Here, with Roof Viewer, homeowners can upload a photo of their own house to try on different colors to see which will work best with the exterior elements of their home, such as siding, trim, and brickwork. Always be sure to see the actual shingles in daylight before making your final color decision. It's quick, it's easy, and it's fun to use. For complete details on each type of shingle, visit IKO.com or speak to your local sales rep today.